What's up all my fine girls? No Pimple is Whit here again with the video. So today I am back with a video. I'm going to be doing a Bath and Body Works haul, okay? Listen, I think I'm becoming a Bath and Body Works kind of girl, okay? So like, I mean, over the years I've shopped at Bath and Body Works every now and then. Like, I'm not somebody who is like a full-blown collector, like has a whole dedicated storage room to Bath and Body Works. I think that is impressive for people who have like these collections are just massive. I think that's pretty impressive. But recently, okay, your girl partook in some sales. So Bath and Body Works had a $4.95. They're $4.90. I'm gonna say $4.95. They're $4.95 body care sales. So I picked up a couple of body washes, some body sprays, 2 candles, and then also they had a buy 3 get 3 free for like I think like lotions and sprays like right after the $4.95 sale. So I picked up some more body mist. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So let's start off with the candles. I picked up 2 candles. So the first one here is smoked vanilla whiskey. I've actually already burned this one. This smells so good. It literally, like the name says, it smells like whiskey with vanilla and a smoky scent to it. It smells so good. I like stuff like this. I like, you know, the deeper whiskey, cognac type of things. Like, I'm always gonna like bourbon type of stuff with some sweetness thrown to it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And then the other one, oh my gosh. This one is hot cocoa cream. Oh my goodness, you guys. This smells like straight up hot cocoa. I've actually had this scent before as a candle melt, like not a candle melt, a candle warmer, the little cube wax. I can't think of what I'm trying to say, but the little cubes, like the ones that you put in like a candle warmer. Have had this scent before, and when I saw that, you know, it was in a candle form, I'm like, absolutely, yes, 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 yes. This right here, you know, today is the 20th. Or no, today's the 21st. Today's the 21st of December. This weekend, okay, put on a good old Christmas movie, have this burning, you know, in PJs, relaxing in the home with the, you know, the heater on. Like, oh, this is just so festive. Like, if you like the smell of hot chocolate, you're gonna love this because it literally smells just like hot chocolate, okay? So those are the 2 candles that I picked up. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into the body washes. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 10 body washes. Let me go ahead and pull all of them over here. So I got 10 body washes or their body gel because, I mean, listen, I like to take a good old shower, okay? And I like to smell good. You know, even there's some people on TikTok, on the internet, in this world that don't like to take showers, don't like to wash their body, which I don't understand because like when you have all this, like, they must not shop in Bath and Body Works. Like, I don't understand what is not enjoyable about taking a shower, but you know, to each his own. So the first one I have here, this is called Cinnamon Donut Swirl. I need to be careful because this is the 3rd time this has happened to me where I'm like doing it and I squeeze so hard and it just comes on my face. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that sounded so dirty. No. You guys not hear that. You guys not hear that. Okay, let's move on. Okay. The fragrance notes is sweet cinnamon, brown sugar, and fluffy dough. Y'all, this straight up smells like the name. Okay, I feel like scents like this are fun, like as a body mist, as a shower gel. I don't know if I would go full on gourmand like this when it comes to like an actual perfume, but this is definitely fun to, like, you know, play around with this type of scent. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, moving on. And I would like to have that in a body spray from Bath and Body Works, like a body mist that will smell so good. Okay, next up is Snowflakes and Cashmere, and I actually did get this in the body mist, and I'm gonna show you guys that later. So the notes are vanilla cashmere cream, caramel woods, frosted clementine. I mean, it smells like what I think a snowflake would smell like. It smells like snowflakes and cashmere. I mean, there's not really much to say about this. It smells good. Okay, next up is Christmas cookies. So this one, the fragrance notes is creamy cookie dough, almond biscotti, and caramel woods. This smells like a bakery. Like, it just smells like fresh cookies. I also got this in the matching body mist. Y'all, smells amazing. Okay, next up is pumpkin cupcake. I want this in a body mist. It's available online, but the thing that pisses me off about Bath and Body Works is that they don't offer free shipping. It's that same $6.99 shipping that be pissing me off. But anyways, the notes in this are whipped buttercream, pumpkin spice, vanilla cake batter. Focus. Yeah, it smells like a pumpkin cupcake. Like, the names are pretty, Bath and Body Works is pretty, oh snap. Yeah, the names are pretty accurate. Like, Bath and Body Works is pretty good at naming. Hold on. Okay, sorry, I had to take that phone call. Anyways, they're pretty good at describing their names. So this smells amazing, okay? Next up that I got was Pretty as a Peach. This one, the notes are blushing peach, jasmine petals, white nectarine, apple blossom, sheer freesia. It smells like peach, okay? And I actually have this in the, this is old, like I've had this for a couple years. Yes, I have it in the shimmer. So, oh, I don't want to shake up all that shimmer because I just want to spray it. But anyways, I have this in the shimmer mist, and it seems like they don't sell it in that packaging anymore. But anyways, this smells just like peach. It smells good. Then I have Midnight Amber Glow here. Same thing, I got this in the body mist that I'm going to show you guys later. So the fragrance notes are smooth amber, caramel latte, and vanilla bourbon. This smells very bourbonish with a little bit of sweetness. I mean, the notes, honestly, I can smell the notes. I could smell the bourbon and the sweetness in it. It smells good. It smells sexy. It smells dark. Like, I don't know. It smells good. Okay, now moving on. So those are like, now I have all these like red bottles. So I have here You're the One. This smells really good too. So this one, the fragrance notes are white birch, velvety rose, and a drop of strawberry nectar. Okay, not 2 drops, but a drop. Okay, get it right. This smells good. I can smell this. I can smell that strawberry in there. This smells so good. Okay, I should have got that in the body mist. I kept picking it up, but I kept putting it down. I don't know. I just didn't get it. I don't know. And then I have Forever Red. Now, I used to have this in the actual perfume. They used to sell perfumes. I guess they don't, I don't know. But I had this in a perfume. And every time I smell this, it just reminds me of freshman year of college. Like, that was when I bought that perfume. And this just transports me back to the year 2013. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And it does not have the notes on here, unfortunately. So, and I think it's because it's in this like packaging. I'm assuming this is like their limited edition holiday packaging, because the ones, yeah, this must be different. This is different. But anyways, this smells good. And then I have Japanese Cherry Blossom that I also did pick up a body mist as well. The notes are Japanese Cherry Blossom, Asian Pear, fresh mimosa petals, white jasmine, blushing sandalwood. This smells amazing. I mean, I think they all smell amazing. That's why I bought them, but oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to actually use this. Now, the one that I'm currently using, I have to go into my shower and pick this up because I cannot wait to film this video. Like, I started using my stuff, obviously. Like, I mean, it's soap. I need to take a bath. But anyways, Strawberry Pound Cake. This is my favorite scent ever from Bath & Body Works until I smell something else. But right now, this is it. I love this scent so much. Like the name says, it smells like strawberry and pound cake came together. Strawberry pound cake. And look, I got this like a week and a half ago. I don't think, yeah, you guys see it. I'm like halfway through. I mean, granted, the bottle's not that big, so like, I mean, you are gonna kind of go through it, but it smells so good. Like, so I got this in the body mist, which I had to order online because it was not in store. And I love this scent so much that I had to go back. I had to get the matching lotion because I want to be able to layer all of this. Like, I want to be able to shower with this, use the body lotion. Mind you, I normally use in-shower body lotion, so that's why I don't have any of the lotions. I just got the shower gels because I already have some of those that I use, but I had to get the lotion to layer with this, then to top it off with the body spray. And I also picked up the candle. They have a 3-wick candle now, okay? So that's on its way here. I ordered that today because I was like, I love this scent so much. So those are the shower gels that I picked up. Let's go ahead and get into the body spray. So I picked up, let's see here, that's 6 plus 3 is 9. Then I have that little small one. So I have 9 full size and I have a little mini because because it does not come in a full size, which I really wish I could have got that one in a big size. But let me go ahead and show you guys the mini one that I got, and that is pumpkin pecan waffles. Like I said, all these little gourmand scents, I like them as a body mist. I don't know if I would commit to something like this as an actual perfume, but this one, let's see, are the notes here? No, the notes are not here, but that's fine. It smells like pecan waffles. Ugh. I wish this was sold in a bigger size. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. It's so edible. Like, I just want to eat some waffles. Like, oh my gosh, it smells so edible. Like, I love this. Like, Bath and Body Works, make this a full size. Like, this little small bottle is not going to do it for me. Like, I need it in a bigger size. Okay, moving on. I have Christmas cookies here. Okay, like I said with the body shower gel, it smells like Christmas cookies. Like, it smells like edible cookies, like a bakery. It smells so good. I can't believe I actually have all these body mists, because I definitely felt like I was becoming like a, what's it called? A perfume snob, like where it's like, I only wear perfume, I can't do body mist. But here's the thing, okay, I have to like, Whitney, no, you gotta come back to earth. A body mist is definitely good for certain occasions. Like, there's times where, you know, a perfume is called for because I need you to last. I need you to last. But a body mist is good to, you know, to wear around the house, to layer with some of your perfumes, okay, if you want to change up some stuff, okay. What else? When I want to go run errands, when I want to go work out, I can use this stuff. So yeah, I had to get over that real quick. I was like, don't be no snob. Like, you too good to get a body mist, okay? But anyways, next up, I have here Strawberry Pound Cake, my favorite scent ever. This one, I'm definitely gonna be buying this. Like, I don't know, like, the thing with Bath and Body Works, from what I'm seeing just by watching a lot of people's videos, is that they definitely like to discontinue stuff and retire stuff. I pray they never do, because I'm gonna need backups of this. Like, I love this scent so much. She smells so good. It's available online right now. I don't think they have it in store, but they do have the minis in store. I did see that in store. Next up, another gourmand one that I really love is Blueberry Sugar Pancake. I need this in a shower gel, and if anything, I would probably buy this in the body lotion as well too, because this smells so good. It smells like blueberry pancakes, like, no lie. It literally, so crazy, like the fact that they're able to do this. It smells like blueberry pancakes, and I love blueberry pancakes, blueberry muffins. So good. Okay, next up, I have here Japanese Cherry Blossom. Okay, we talked about this earlier. This just reminds me of middle school for whatever reason. Like, this type of scent, like, you know, the cherry blossom and the sweet pea. The cherry blossom and the sweet pea had the girlies in a chokehold in middle school, okay? Because baby, a good old cherry blossom spray. This definitely reminds me of, what's that thing called? Middle school. Okay, I have Midnight Amber Glove here. You know, this kind of smells similar to something else that I bought as well too. Oh my gosh. So this one definitely has that bourbon caramel scent to it. So if you like stuff like that, amber, like ambery, bourbony, caramelly type thing, that's what this is. And she smells good. Next up, I have here White Pumpkin Chai, or yeah, White Pumpkin Chai. And the notes are cinnamon cider, spiced pumpkin, and vanilla glaze. I'm gonna spray this on this hand. This smells so good. This is also very gourmand smelling. The notes do such a good job. It literally smells like that vanilla with that cinnamon and pumpkin in there. It smells good. Next one that I picked up was Vanilla Mocha Martini. So if you like a chocolatey scent, you will like this because it smells like a chocolate martini. So what are the notes? The notes are a cozy cappuccino, velvet orchid, and white tonka bean. Yeah, I mean, that's literally what it smells like. Okay, so next up I have one that, you know, is pretty well known, pretty well loved, and that is Champagne Toast. So when I went into Bath and Body Works, I had asked the girls, or the workers, I was like, hey, do you have anything peach smelling? Because I wanted like a peach scent. I already knew I had Pretty as a Peach, but I wanted it without the shimmer. And they're like, no, the most we have would be the champagne toast that would have like that peach scent. And I smelled it. It's kind of close, but you know, it's not full on like Pretty as a Peach. The notes in this are bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, juicy tangerine. So I guess that tangerine, I mean, it's kind of close, but it's not really peach, but you know. Oh my gosh. I just fell in love with this all over again. Oh my gosh. This smells so freaking good. Oh my gosh. This, okay. I mean, I would recommend you pick any of these up, okay? But champagne toast is definitely a must if you have never tried this or you're trying to find what you want to buy. I don't know. Champagne toast, strawberry pound cake, okay? Strawberry pound cake. I mean, all of them, honestly. Honestly, honestly, all of them, okay? I have 2 more to show you guys, okay? I picked up Iced Sugar Plum, and this one, sorry, like I have to look at my monitor. It's beeping at me to let me know we're about to cut off on you. But anyways, okay, so the notes in this one are sparkling sugar plum, snowdrop petals, whipped marshmallows. I smell that. I definitely smell that marshmallow when I spray this. And oh, it looks like there's more. It says sweet sugar plum and sparkling berries topped with the warmth of whipped vanilla. Oh yes, oh yes. Honestly, I know they say it smells like whatever they just said, but honestly, kind of gives me a little bit of some popcorn vibes. A little bit. It kind of smells like you just walked into the lobby of a movie theater. Like that fresh popcorn that hits you, that smell of fresh popcorn when you walk in. That's honestly what this smells like. Like, I mean, the whipped marshmallow, I can kind of see that, but honestly, it smells like popcorn to me. I mean, I like it, but that's what I'm getting. Let me know if you smelled this and if you think I'm crazy or you're like, no, I can see what you're saying, but it smells like popcorn to me. Okay, and I have one more here. And that is Snowflakes Cashmere, which we did talk about earlier. It has a vanilla cashmere cream, caramel woods, frosted clementine. I mean, it smells just like the shower gel. So that is my Bath and Body Works haul, okay? And I'm excited to be a part of the girlies who collects Bath and Body Works. Hey guys, hey family, I'm here. I'm so corny, but no, I'm excited to see what scents are gonna come out with, you know, in the new year, because I think right now they're trying to clear out their holiday inventory, because I've been on that website stalking it, like, can you please drop some new scents? So I'm excited because I definitely want a couple more scents, okay? I definitely want to be one of those girlies that, you know, it's a Bath and Body Works girls. Like, you know, I have my rewards, my coupon codes, you know, I have my account set up, get my points. Yes, I'm annoying, I don't care. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.